Hello everyone, welcome to Track Astro Science, and today I'm back again with yet another new video. In this video I will discuss the monthly horoscope for the month of June 2021 for the sign of Virgo. And as usual, if you are new to this channel, press the subscribe button, click onto the notification bell icon so that every time I make a new video you get notified instantly. So without losing a single moment, let us start the monthly horoscope video for the sign of Virgo for the month of June 2021. Let's see. For the Virgo people, I will say that your Lagna Lord Mercury is getting retrograde in the 9th house of your law, philosophy, higher spiritual knowledge, your guru, your father. So here, whatever wisdom or whatever knowledge you are accumulating, it can be related to philosophy, it can be related to law, it can be related to religion, it can be related to any kind of spiritual books or ancient scriptures or something like that. Be very careful regarding you are accumulating the correct knowledge, because since this Mercury is retrograde, so out of your overconfidence you can actually go through certain things regarding the knowledge which may lead to some kind of miscommunication, or it can actually mislead you towards your value system, towards your knowledge system, towards your idea, towards your religion. Okay. Or you see, since it is the house of law, it is also the house of philosophy, your misleading can also take you to do something which is not lawful. So be very careful regarding that, specifically when Sun and Rahu are also transiting through the 9th house. You see, when Sun is transiting through the 9th house, I will say that this is a time when you will have a very strong focus towards your father and guru. This Sun will aspect your 3rd house, Mercury will aspect your 3rd house of creativity, of your creative talents and hobbies. So it's a very good time to take up some new hobby. This Sun will allow you to meet people with religious communities, means you can go to one place and get attached or get meet with someone related to which is in accordance to religion or religious community or religious customs. Okay, you can meet someone who is a philosopher or who can give you guidance. Okay, so these are the things which you have to take care of, because you see, Rahu is also transiting through this 9th house. This Rahu can actually make you act differently away from the teachings of your father and guru. Rahu always works away from the norms of the society, so you have to be very careful regarding this, specifically when Mercury is getting retrograde along with Sun and Rahu all in the 9th house. Venus will be transiting in your 10th house. You see, Venus is a great benefic planet, and transiting through your 10th house, Venus will bring lots and lots of good opportunities in your work and career arena. Your relationship with your boss, superiors, authority, or any person in your working arena will improve. Your working environment will improve. You will have lots of gains through your work arena. This can be seen. Mars will be transiting through your 11th house. Normally in the 11th house, Mars transit is considered to be very good, but here Mars is getting debilitated. So what happens, that you are expecting to have certain amount of gains, you are expecting to have fulfillment of your desires, hopes and wishes, but due to some reason, one or the other, you are unable to get it, you are unable to focus your proper energy in a proper manner. So this can lead to some kind of problem in your life is concerned, because it can create some kind of mental anxiety, because Mars is transiting through the sign of Cancer. Cancer is the sign of emotions, so be very careful regarding that. Also make sure that your communication or your relationship with your network circle, with your elder sibling, is to be seen with proper guidance and with proper intent, because you see, 11th house is the house of big network circles, And if you are very frustrated, if you are having that angry temperament, if you are always speaking in a rude or harsh tone, then you can lose those network circles, because Mars will be aspecting your second house of speech. So be very careful regarding that. Otherwise, I will say you that this Mars needs to understand the necessities of the other people also. When you try to understand, when you understand to learn to listen the other people, what the other people is trying to say you, then it will help you build the team. It will enhance the team spirit and help you work in the similar projects, because with 11th house shows the insights regarding that you are working with someone, you are working in a group to accomplish something. Okay, then only this Mars will give you lots of gains. You see, Jupiter will be transiting through your 6th house. You see here, Jupiter is your 7th lord, and 7th lord transiting through the 6th house is normally not considered very good. Jupiter is also your 4th lord coming into the 6th house, not considered so good. It can create some kind of problem in your marital life, your association, or or your relationship with your spouse, wife or husband can be a bit difficult one during this transit. And at the same time, I will say you that your happiness index can be in a diminished way, because 4th lord coming into the 6th house is not considered so good. But you see, Jupiter is a benefic planet, and when a benefic planet transits through the 6th house, it also brings lots of wealth, because it is creating the Basumati Yoga. And here, Jupiter will aspect the 10th house, so it will give a good insights towards your career, profession. But I will say you that this Jupiter can also bring some kind of competition, some kind of problems with your superiors and co-workers, because you see, there can be unnecessary problems with your superiors. Means, suppose you are following their orders, you are doing the work at time, so this can create the problems with the other co-workers and superiors, that it can create to some kind of jealousy. So be careful regarding that. Do your work which is actually necessary. Saturn in your 5th house is asking for your commitment, your discipline in your education sector, regarding your progeny and children, your relationship with your progeny and children. And suppose if you are a student, if you are a college student, if you are studying something, then this Saturn will definitely help you to give the necessary discipline which is required to follow that knowledge, to follow that guidance which is required in a education field by any student. So this Saturn will give you that commitment, because you see, Saturn is getting retrograde over here, so it is asking for your commitment. So more you commit yourself to those aspects of your life, more good results you are going to get. But don't forget, this Saturn is also aspected by Mars from the 11th house. So you will also try to hurry, but I will say you that more you become calm, composed, with patience and endurance, more good results you are going to get in the time to come. So these are the general views which can be understood by the transit of planets in the respective signs in this month of June 2021 for the sign of Virgo. As you have seen that how the planets are going to act during this month of June 2021 for all the Virgo peoples. If you have liked this video, tap onto the like button, share it to your near and dear ones, and your comments are always welcome to me. Your precious opinions and queries, write it down in the comment box. And anytime if you feel that you need an one-to-one consultation from me, check the links below in the description section so that you can have a consultation from me. And that's it from my side. Next time when I come back, I will bring a new video for all of you. Thanking you. Signing off for today. Bye bye.